Hello everyone, welcome to Glow with Rinja and welcome to a gua sha and jade roller tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use both gua sha stone and jade roller. I have purchased these from Flipkart and I will add the link in the description box for you if you're interested to buy. I'm going to use an aloe vera gel, but you can use any skin oil or lotion. I'm going to do every motion 5 times in this video and feel free to join along with me. It's going to be an uninterrupted jade roller and gua sha stone session for you. Firstly, I'll start with applying some aloe vera gel in my neck area. As we are going to start from here, I'm going to take my gua sha stone and hold it in this direction, and I'm going to do an upward motion, and when you reach the uppermost part, you have to just wiggle the gua sha stone a little bit, not too much. Do not apply too much pressure so that you irritate your skin and it might cause extra redness. A little bit of redness is fine, but not too much. This motion helps release a lot of tension from the neck area, especially if you are sitting and doing a lot of work. This motion helps release a lot of stress. Gua sha stone is a Chinese technique which is used to achieve a sculpted look, but it's not just that. There are many more benefits of using a gua sha stone. First of all, it improves blood circulation, which is very important. I have been religiously using gua sha stone and jade roller for over 2 years now, and I'm seeing a lot of difference on my face. There's a lot more dimension, there's a lot more sculpted look on my face compared to how I used to look 2 years ago. It's not just the physical appearance that you're looking for, it's the calm and peace you receive while doing this. It's the best form of self-care someone can do. Once I'm done using the gua sha stone on my neck area, I like to go on with the jade roller and do the same motion that I did using the gua sha stone. It's an update in my routine. Initially, I used to complete the session using the gua sha stone, and after that I used to start using the jade roller, but now I prefer using both the tools on my neck area first and then move on to the face. The reason for doing this is that I feel a lot more tension in my neck area compared to my face. So before moving on to the face, I like to feel more relaxed and more calm. Since I work on my laptop for more than 8 hours, I feel a lot more tension in my neck area compared to my whole body. So before moving on to the face, I will apply some aloe vera gel on my face and then I will glide both the tools. The best part about using a gua sha stone is that if you are using a skincare product like a serum or anything, any skincare product, and if you use a gua sha stone after applying it, gua sha stone actually makes it much more easier for the product to absorb in your skin. It actually helps the product penetrate in your skin. Now let's start with the gua sha stone on our face. So I call this portion as the hard portion, and I'm going to glide it on my jawline. So this is the very main reason of using a gua sha stone. If you want to look sculpted and you want a jawline, then you should use gua sha stone, as it lifts and tones the face. So if you use the gua sha stone regularly, you can get defined cheekbones and also a jawline because it stimulates the facial muscles. So here I am just gently gliding the gua sha stone on my jawline. I am not applying too much pressure. Always remember to apply moderate amount of pressure. Now I'll be using this portion and I am holding the gua sha stone in an angle and I am gliding it on my cheek area. So this step is very crucial for depuffing your cheek and getting a sculpted cheekbone. And oh my god, I cannot define how satisfying this motion is for me. I feel like I am scraping out all the fat from my cheek area. It's just so satisfying. This motion actually helps in draining all the lymphatic fluid from your cheek or your face area. Can you see it? I am pushing out all the fats on my cheeks. Now I am using the stone under my eyes, so this step is very important for reducing dark circles, and if you have under eye bags, this process is going to help you get rid of it. This portion of the face is very delicate. Using this motion here will promote blood circulation. As this drains out the lymphatic fluid, it also helps in extracting the toxins naturally on our face. You can see the expression on my face. I am feeling so much relaxed. That is because using these tools on your face calms the nervous system and it automatically reduces stress. Now I am using the tool on my eyebrows, and this is very relaxing for me because I have frequent headaches. Gua Sha stone really helps in reducing headaches, especially when you are using it around the temples, forehead and even the neck area. And one tip here, if you want to fall asleep any time of the day, please do a Gua Sha and jade roller session for 5 to 10 minutes and then go for sleep. I promise you, you are going to sleep like a baby. As you can see here, I am using the heart section of the Gua Sha stone, and I am moving along the direction and shape of my eyebrow, applying very little amount of pressure. Now I am going to reverse the Gua Sha stone, and I am going to tilt it slightly, holding the forehead using 2 fingers, and I am going to glide it, and this motion also helps in releasing a lot of tension in the forehead area. This motion feels like magic. Also, one thing to notice here is that I am always using the Gua Sha stone in an upward and outward direction. So whenever you are using these 2 tools, always keep in mind that you have to use gentle upward and outward strokes only. Here you can see the glow on my face after using the Gua Sha stone. We are still left with the jade roller. I have reapplied some aloe vera gel on my face, and I am ready with the jade roller to glide it. So I am going to start again with my neck area. So this is one of my favorite motions because it helps you get rid of the double chin line right below the chin. So I feel like Gua Sha stone is much more useful for getting cheekbones and jawlines, but the jade roller is used for getting a temporary lifted firm look to the face. Here this motion helps in draining all the lymphatic fluids from the neck area, and it also helps in reducing bloating around this area where you feel like you have a double chin, or if you feel a lot of swelling in this area, then this motion helps you a lot. Now I'm going to gently roll the jade roller in upward and outward direction in my jawline, and kid you not, while doing this motion you will feel like you are carving your jawline. Jade roller is also a traditional Chinese skincare tool, just like Gua Sha stone. It's simple, it's soothing, and it's very effective. As jade rollers naturally stay cool, it helps in reducing redness on your face and also gets rid of any irritation. Personally, I like jade roller better than Gua Sha stone because I feel like I can manage the pressure a lot more using this tool, and I feel like this tool is much more handy than a Gua Sha stone. It's like you have to take care of the angles while using the Gua Sha stone. This motion has helped me a lot to get rid of the eye bags. Whenever I feel bloated or I feel puffy after waking up, I use the jade roller, and I like to keep it in the fridge for around 5 to 10 minutes, and it gets cold very quickly, and then I use it on my face and I instantly feel a depuff effect on my face. And now, like Gua Sha stone, even jade roller helps a lot in reducing headaches. So I'm going to use the tool, the opposite side of the tool, on my eyebrow, and this process is so soothing. You are going to instantly feel a lot of relief in that area. It's already visible on my face how soothing this experience is. And yes, you can also use the opposite side of the jade roller on your eyes, but always be mindful of the pressure. Do not apply too much pressure, you might hurt yourself. And now I am going to roll the tool on my forehead in all 3 directions, in the center, left and right. Always remember, do not move your tool back and forth because it is not recommended at all. Always remember to not use the tool in a back and forth motion, and you have to always apply a facial oil, serum or a moisturizer before using it. Always and always clean the tools after using with soap and water. Roll for 5 to 10 minutes daily for visible improvement. So that's it for today's video guys. Like and subscribe for more. Also comment and let me know.